In this video we're going to be looking at expanding double brackets. There are two methods I'm going to show you. The first is where you split the first bracket, and the second is where we use grid method. Now I'm going to alternate using these methods for each of these questions, so you'll see an example of each one twice. The first one is a very basic double brackets expansion that's needed. There's no coefficient of x, and they're both positive. So if I split the first bracket for this one, we're going to have x outside of x plus 2, and then we've got plus 4 outside of x plus 2. So essentially what we are doing is we are splitting up this bracket, this first one, and we're putting it outside of the second bracket. So each term x is outside of x plus 2, and plus 4 is also outside of x plus 2. The idea is that x will multiply both terms and 4 will multiply both terms in the second bracket. And it's just like a single bracket expansion then, and we have to collect the like terms afterwards. So let's do that. We've got to expand this bracket, we're going to get x squared and 2x, and for the next one we've got 4 times x and 4 times 2, which is going to give us 4x plus 8. And then we need to collect the like terms, so these two are like terms, so we're going to end up with x squared plus 6x plus 8. Let's move on to the second one. So that's a plus 7 times a minus 6. And this time I'm going to use grid method. So the other method that I was going to show you, start off by drawing a multiplication grid, and you just need to put in each term into the grid. So I'm going to put this bracket on the top here, so I'm going to put a in this first box and plus 7 in the second box. So you've got a and plus 7, and the second bracket is going to be put here and here, so we've got a here and then minus 6 in this bracket. So a and minus 6, and then when we multiply them together, get a squared and then plus 7a. A times minus 6 is minus 6a, and minus 6 times 7 is minus 42. And then again we're going to collect the like terms. So the two like terms here are these ones, the a terms. So we've got minus 6a plus 7a is going to give us just 1a. So we'll be left with a squared plus a minus 42. Okay, so now let's look at the second two. I'm just going to give myself a little bit more space. So we're looking at the second two questions, the last two questions here. Sorry. I'm going to do question 3 using the split the first bracket method. So number 3, we've got 2x minus 4 times x plus 1. And we're going to split the first bracket, so that's going to become 2x outside of x plus 1, and then we've got minus 4 outside of x plus 1. And then we just need to multiply each bracket and collect the like terms. So we're going to get from that first bracket 2x squared plus 2x. And then we've got minus 4 times x, so that'll be minus 4x, and minus 4 times 1, which is minus 4. And then we just need to collect the like terms, so we've got plus 2x minus 4x, which is going to give us minus 2x. So 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 is our final expansion of that one. And then finally the last one, we've got 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 4. I'm going to draw the grid, and on the top I'm going to put 3x and minus 2, and on the side I'm going to put 2x and minus 4. Then multiplying each one together, 2x times 3x is 6x squared, 2x times minus 2 is minus 4x, 3x times minus 4 is minus 12x, and minus 4 times minus 2 is positive 8. And then collecting the like terms, these are the two like terms, they've both got an x to the power of 1. So we're going to get 6x squared minus 16x plus 8.